Did you know that there are actually 5 types of metamorphosis? Well, if you didn't, get ready to learn. Metamorphosis simply means change in form. And like I said, there are 5 types of metamorphosis. The first being ametabolous, which is when no metamorphosis takes place. This means the adults look the same as the immatures, only bigger. And they're also the only groups of insects that can molt after they reach adulthood and reproductive maturity. They move from egg to immature to adult. The second type of metamorphosis is called parametabolous, which is when the immatures resemble the adults but lack fully formed wings and have what are called wing pads and external genitalia. They move from egg to nymph to adult. Usually nymphs and adults are found in similar habitats and have similar food requirements. A good example are the true bugs, cockroaches, grasshoppers, and cicadas. The third type of metamorphosis is hemimetabolous, which is when the immatures look quite different from the adults. They have wing pads, live in different habitats, and most have tracheal gills. They move from egg to naiad to adult. Some examples are the odonata and stoneflies. The naiads are aquatic, and the adults usually are found near water. The fourth type of metamorphosis, and the most commonly known, is holometabolous, or complete metamorphosis. Most of the highly evolved insects are in this group. In holometabolous, immatures do not resemble adults and have internal wing pads. They move from egg to larvae to pupae to adult. The larvae are eating machines, feeding in different locations and habitats than the adults. Most pupae are quiescent or don't move. The best known example for this type of metamorphosis is the butterfly, which moves from egg to caterpillar to cocoon and then finally to butterfly. Flies also undergo holometabolous metamorphosis or complete metamorphosis. And finally, our fifth type of metamorphosis is hypermetamorphosis, which is when the larvae do not look the same or feed the same as the adults. They move from egg to triangular larva to other forms of larva to pupa and then finally to adult. And the best example for this type of metamorphosis is the blister beetle.